Morning! I'm going to park right now. Ayan mga kapalangga, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Punta kami ng park. Ayan. Baby Amber. Punta kami park with Baby Amber. Yeah. Because Baby Amber, I like go to park. Bornia. Yan ba yung street natin? Ito ba yung street natin, Bornia?
Bornian.
Bornian Street yan. Welcome to my video. From here in Sydney, Australia. So, mga kapalangga, going to park kami right now. So mga kapalangga, ayan. So please help me to support me for my goal, helping other people. So please help me to support me to like and comment and share. And to subscribe me and follow me. So please help me to support me to send me star for more creating content mga kapalangga. Ang ganda nung, ayan, ganda ng puno. Baby Amber. Ayan, so baby Amber, always, wait lang, ayusin kita. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, Baby Amber is not sleeping, so always wake up. So I'm going to park right now. So my hands is my one hand, left hand, right hand is holding the farm from, then pushing, like that. We're stopped because my husband is walking there. Friends. Where you go, baby Amber? Going to? Yeah. I'm here! Andito na kami mga kapalangga sa park. No, so walang mga tao ngayon kasi nga hindi naman siya hindi siya weekends. So pag Sunday napakaraming tao dito. Bye bye. Thank you for watching again mga kapalangga. See you next video. Ayan, ang lalaki ng mga puno.